Hi everybody. We're going to start the week of reviews off with one of my all-time favorite Rolling Stones songs. This is the acoustic version of Honky Tonk Women. And I know this is probably sacrilege of me to say, but I prefer this acoustic version to the original version. Um, the electric version, but um, this version of Honky Tonk Women or Woman is known as Country Honk, and it came from the Stones' Let It Bleed album, which I believe was released in 1968. Um, the first time that I had heard this version of Honky Tonk Woman or Country Honk, I just fell in love with it. It kind of reminds me of as if they were playing on the on as if the Stones were playing on a street. It has that real homemade kind of demo-ish recording or feel to it. It has that real homemade off the cuff feel to it, as if they had just decided to do it right then and there. Um, and like I said, I prefer this version to the original version that we all know and love. But I like that one too. But this is my favorite, and actually, um, something um, and actually the fiddle part was played by an old bluegrass musician that one of my acquaintances played with uh, way back when, although I can't remember the fiddle player's name. But back when the Stones did their stripped down leg of their Voodoo Lounge tour in '95, which yielded the live album totally stripped, which we will be reviewing a little farther down the line. Um, I was always hoping that they do Country Honk uh, live because it would have it would have fit in extremely well with the tone of the shows in '95, but they didn't. And um, the only place that I saw kind of a performance of it was during was it was part of a documentary that was part of a bonus feature to the Bigger Bang DVD set where Mick and Keith just rehearsed it in the dressing room before a show. But and I was kind of hoping that they do it, you know, during a show, but they've never attempted it. And but unfortunately, as of yet, I do not have Let It Bleed on CD. Uh, so I can't jam to it all the time. Anyway, I give Country Honk about 5 stars, and I hope you enjoy it. Coming up, coming up Thursday afternoon, we will be doing our review of Crosby and Nash's Another Stony Evening record, and then coming up um, probably on Sunday, we will be closing out the week of reviews with um, with our look at Neil Young and Crazy Horse's road movie, Mighty Track, as well as we will be doing a coming reviews video for next week. Enjoy the song. Hi everybody. In the main body of the video, I said that Let It Bleed came out in 1968, when in reality it came out in 1969. However, the album cover slide does reflect that. I just wanted to make that correction in the video itself.